So it's my second last day in Bangkok, and I definitely gonna miss the gym and the pool. And only से almost 5 बजी रहा छ, and about to sunset. I'll go up at the rooftop, but sunset हेर्न पाउँदिन होला because it's hazy and cloudy. So maybe I can't witness the sunset, but definitely I gonna miss this pool and the gym. 11 days and 4 days gym, almost 5 days swimming, and it was a wonderful experience and a lot of things that I did in Bangkok for the first time, and it was fun. Like I took a metro for the first time, then the boat and the public transport here in Bangkok, and it was really cool and I love it. So it was one of the fruitful experience that I got to witness, and I'm very much grateful for that.
Keep yourself balanced. Yeah? Let's do one more time. And don't rush. Take your time. Important to keep your posture. Keep your... Yeah. Nice and easy. Make sure your legs are straight. Yeah. Nice and easy. Don't rush. Nice and easy. Don't rush. Nice and easy. Don't rush. When you're more confident, then you can lift your upper body slightly much higher. Yeah? Yeah. So at the beginning, you can keep it on the floor. No. So the whole idea is to look on the wall, especially if ceiling possible. No. Don't look on the floor, on the ceiling, or on the wall, higher wall. Well done. And nice and control on the way back, okay? On your way back, nice and easy. Don't slam your body weight on the floor. Take it easy. That's it. Well done. Go down, yeah? Don't rush. Exhale. On your way up, curl the arms, shoulder press overhead. And gently back. Don't rush. Keeping your back nice and firm. Well done. This kind of whole body workout, shoulders, arms.
So after the exhausting gym session of almost 1.5 hours, I am having this coconut water. Now I get to know that why people go to gym regularly. The endorphin rush that they experience after their gym session is something else. It's a good feel factor that you get to experience, and you get charged up, like you are full of energy, and yeah. Hey guys, hope you had a good day, and this is my last day in Bangkok. I really miss it here. I was here for almost 11 days. I mean, days count garne ho bhane I was here for 12 days, but just skip the day I arrived and the day I'm leaving, because I arrived around 10. I almost 8 बजी सकेको राति, अनि अपार्टमेन्ट पुग्दा almost 11 almost 12 नै बजिसकेको थियो, and I have already boarding flight tomorrow, and so मेरो 11:50 को फ्लाइट छ. त्यसको लागि चाहिँ मलाई चाहिँ त्यसरी पनि 9:30 मा एयरपोर्टमा हुनुपर्ने हुन्छ. So yeah, let's not count that 2 days. त्यही पनि I got to stay here for 10 days. It was a lovely experience. I am very much grateful for the universe for this opportunity that I get to experience, and it's fucking good. Yeah, it's packing good. Yep. Amazing. Last sunset in Bangkok. So finally the day has come that I am leaving Bangkok. My journey is coming to end, but it was really refreshing, and the motive why I came here for like forgetting everything, and I'm going with the fresh mindset. That's what I wanted. So yeah, it's refreshing and it was a lovely experience in Bangkok. And right now I'm at the airport. I'm done with my security check-in and just trying to board the flight in an hour, I guess. Yeah. So 1 घंटा बाकी था, 1 घंटा पछि चाहिँ यहाँबाट the flight will take up. So it's a lovely experience and the airport is very good. I mean, it's beautiful. Like when the staffs are so helpful and cooperative, and I must say कि यहाँको security check-in र नेपालकोमा धेरै फरक छ. Like they are pretty clear what they want, what they don't want. So it's a nice experience and I love it. And yeah, yo, it's more like a last few minutes in Bangkok and I'm loving it. I am very much grateful for the universe for giving me this opportunity where I could grab this opportunity and use it for my own good. And yeah, lovely. Yeah, I'm not getting emotional, but it's fun. It was fun. So yeah, here's to Captain signing up from the entire journey of Bangkok, especially Thailand. It's a beautiful country. I would love to visit again if given chance. I would love to come back again. But yeah, love it. It was so good. I love it. Thank you Thailand for this amazing journey and I'll be forever grateful for this. मेरो gate number 21 पनि आइसकेको छ. So it's the time to say goodbye to everyone. So bye everyone. I'll see you at Nepal now. So yeah, lots of love from Thailand. I'll see you in Nepal now. Bye. So bye bye. Kapan Kap. Goodbye Thailand. It was lovely visiting you. If given chance, I would love to visit again. And yeah, you were soothing. Everything was pretty organized, especially the transportation facility are too good. And glad that I got to experience the metro, like train thing, because I haven't done it earlier in my life. So it was really good. And the trains are too good, man, too fast, and everything is very easy. Even the ticketing system. But only thing is that people struggle with the English thing because यहाँको मान्छेहरूले त्यति मजाले English बोल्दैन. It's more like the broken English, even like you can't complete the full sentence. Whatever you want to know, just ask them like if you want to know about the ticket, just say ticket, and it was a great experience. Be it the boat journey, be it the malls, be it like airplane or even the train. It was lovely experience, and yeah, मजा आ रहा था. And finally I'm at the Don Muang. It's Don Muang, and lovely. So it's the time to say goodbye. Okay, so this is the final and last video from Thailand, from Don Muang Airport, and I am going to board the flight. So yeah, I don't have much to say. There is so much to say, but I'm being what do you say? Speechless? Not speechless, but yeah, relaxed, refreshing. It's more like that feeling, refreshing, and I'm loving it. So yeah, I'm on the way to board the flight. Gate number 21. सब पूरा बच गया. So I'm about to enter the flight. Yeah, have a good day, guys. See you in Nepal. Look at the glow on me. Okay, 30A, let's go and find my seat. Study, sir. So fine. They are really sweet here. They are quite helpful. The cabin crew, they are very helpful. 30 25 cha bola. Finally on the way to Nepal. Swadika. Whoa, okay, that's 38. Wow, I again got the window one. So it's fine. It's fun. Yep, let's go and see them. Hey, Pamadeep, you are really lucky, man. You are F lucky that you got all this opportunity to experience, and lovely. Final goodbye to Thailand, Bangkok. Yep, I'll see you at Nepal now. Finally got the winter seat. Yep. They say that if it ends well, everything is well if it ends well. So yeah, it was a lovely experience here in Thailand, and I'm loving it, bro. Final goodbye to Thailand. The plane will take up in 10-15 minutes, I guess. And maza sir, bro. You have to get the most out of it. Out of this trip, you need to come out stronger. I know you might be a fragile soul, but you're not a fragile body, and you have to convert that fragile soul into the most strongest and fiery one, and you have to come out as a better version. And I'm proud of you, Mr. Rupesh Yadav, that you have done it all. And whatever you have done in the past, just let it be there. Let the bygone be bygones, and just give it a fresh start, and you will have a better future ahead. Trust me, bro. Like if you go back 10 years, if you go 10 years back, you wouldn't have realized that in your 20s you would have traveled 2 countries, that too international trip, luxurious trip. So you are pretty lucky. I know that you are broken from inside, you are shattered, but boy, it's time to fasten your seatbelt and start taking a long step to move on in life and have a future, good future ahead. And I am sure, 100% sure that you gonna have the bestest future ahead. And I love you. Yeah, I love you. Mr. Rupesh Yadav, I love you. And yeah, thank you so much, bro, for not giving up. And you are the strongest boy ever, and I love you. Signing up from Bangkok, guys. Goodbye. They say that time heals everything, or time plays a vital role in healing your wounds and moving on in life. But guess what? It's just the time that helps you be comfortable with your pain or whatever you're going through. It just makes you comfortable and coexist with it for the betterment. And yeah, time is everything, but you need to do everything on the time. You need to grab the right opportunity at the right time, there is no looking back, and you can't regret everything and ruin your beautiful future and your present. So live in the present. There is a better times coming, and I'm proud of you. I am proud of you, Dipesh Yadav. Are you listening to me? Mr. Dipesh Yadav, I'm fucking proud of you. You did it very well, and love you, bro. So I was feeling very hot, so I thought of being hot as well. So I just removed my hoodie. Now I'm traveling in this jersey. I'm loving it. I'll give you all the update from the flight, whatever. So finally we have landed in Nepal at Tribhuvan International Airport, and I'm feeling very happy to be back again in Nepal and with the fresh mindset, and I'm loving it. So it's 2:30, 2:30 बजिरहेको छ. अब एकछिनपछि after all the immigration thing, I'll be back to the normal life and loving it. So yeah, thank you guys for being there, for staying tuned. And the view is not clear. I don't know. It's just because of the window glass of my phone. I don't know. But finally, I've arrived, and now in few minutes I'll get out of the plane. And it was a fruitful journey. Love it. Last bit से यार एकदम ठुलो लाइन छ, but it's cool. मजा आयो. I'm feeling a little hungry and sleepy as well, so fine. That's fine.
You can use the back window to
Hi, line. Oh, what did you tell me? I'm sorry for that. That's fine now. I just want to get out of the airport as soon as possible. I'm really tired. Sleepy is fine. Good. We'll get out right soon. Have a good day ahead, guys. Ooh. Welcome to Nepal. Nepal, the birthplace of Buddha. Yeah, visa on mass arrival receipt for another visit. Finally done with the immigration, and now I'm exiting the airport, and I'll just quickly order the cab or Pathao. Not Pathao, Yango. I'll do it, Yango. I want to save my money, bro. I'm completely broke now, so I need to save my money. I'll just quickly book the Yango and reach to Basantapur because I'm extremely tired. I'm feeling the light headache. There's a light headache, and I'm a little hungry as well, so I'll just quickly reach Basantapur. And this is the update, guys. I have safely landed in Nepal. Yeah, I'll meet you in position very soon. So yeah, yay, good to be back, feeling relaxed, back to Nepal, our own country. Yeah, lovely. Love you, bro.